Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problems. So if you are new to this channel, then hit on the subscribe icon and join Code.it family. So today in this video, I'll tell you some of the amazing shortcut keys in Windows that will help you a lot. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So here, first command is Windows plus D. So just hold your Windows plus D button. Now it will generate a new window here, a new totally different one in which you are working. So here, if you switch between two windows by holding Control plus Windows and then left or right arrow on your keyboard. So here, this way you can switch between your two windows. Here, you can adjust your desktop according to yourself and without showing to someone else. So the second shortcut key is speech to text. Yes, this is one of the coolest shortcut key that I came across. Suppose you are writing a document and it's take a lot of time to just type it. So the best way is you will always read it and the computer will write it by itself. So let's create a new document in Word, and here check this out. So the command is Windows plus H. So here, this way it can generate the speech to text box. So here you can see that what I am speaking, it is writing by all itself. So yes, this is one of the amazing command. So after you have done with this writing, to deactivate this, just simply cross this. So here your text is ready. So the third is clipboard. Suppose I have copied some data or link or important passcodes, and instead of retyping it, we have simple clipboard in our laptop similar to that in our mobile phones. So to open the clipboard, click on Windows plus V. Here it has opened our clipboard. Here what I have written is mentioned. So here, this is the pasted text. Yes, this is amazing. So moving on to the next command. Now if you are working in your laptop and you do not want to shut it down, then you can just lock it by simply clicking on Windows plus L. So once you have clicked on Windows plus L command, it will simply lock the screen. So right now I am not doing it. So once you try, then tell me about that in the comment section below. And now the next shortcut key is the emoji generation. Yes, you can access your emojis in your Windows just by simply clicking on Windows plus dot. It will open the emoji window. Here you can type any emoji there simply by choosing it and then just cross it to close. So moving on to our next shortcut key, that is the magnifier. So to open the magnifier by using shortcut key, just click on Windows and then plus button. So here it will generate your magnifier. So this is also an amazing thing. Now here we have click and then it will speak what is written on that. So click on it now.
Recycle bin.
Yes, so you can click on Windows and then plus to zoom out, zoom in, and then Windows minus to zoom out. So moving on to our next shortcut key, that is Windows plus W. Now this is the best command for these times where you are attending a online classes and you have to open your whiteboard or the snip the screen. So to open the whiteboard in Windows, just click on Windows plus W. It will here generate the two options of whiteboard and full screen snip. So first you will click on whiteboard. It will start installing that in your Windows. Then once it is installed, then click on it. Now you can see that here this amazing whiteboard is created. So here you have multiple color options. You can customize your color by simply clicking on it and choosing any color, whether the design one or else. Here also we got a ruler and protector also here, and the eraser. So yes, these are just simply amazing feature of Windows that I came across with. And here similarly, if you click on Windows plus W, here it is full screen snip. So once you have clicked on it, it will take a screenshot and then it will paste it over here. So these are some amazing shortcut keys. Now last but the most amazing command, that is Windows plus G, that is advanced gaming options. Click on Windows plus G. Here it will open the advanced gaming options. Here it will tell you the PC performance, the CPU performance, RAM performance, here your Chrome voice, system sound. Here to take the screenshot, just click it here or select Windows plus Alt plus print screen to take a simple screenshot. And now moving on to the one of the amazing part of this is here you can start the screen recording. Yes, no software required for screen recording. So here click on recording. It will start recording the screen. Once you have completed with this, just it will show this clip created, and once you have clicked on this, the clip will be presented over here. Recording. It will start recording. So this is the amazing feature of Windows by which you can simply just record the screen without installing any external software. So these are the best shortcut keys that you came across with in the Windows software. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.